where love goes. We can't really say the correct phrase. You guys will beep it out. So we made it cucking phrasey. Today we're unveiling this. It's a very unique sequence in the film where I want to show, love for my particular partner, and it's called the love seed that I give it to her. But it goes all wrong in the film. It's a really funny sequence. It's not how I planned it in the film. I think you'll see a bit of it in the trailer. But once you see the film, I'm sure you'll really like it. It's a funny sequence. Today is the love seed that you guys can also hopefully do it for your lovers, or you can get pictures clicked next to it. So here it is, guys. Can we open the love seed? Okay, so there's a special thing. Are you guys ready? Are you guys nervous? Are you guys excited? This is the love seed. And Hasi the Pasi presents the love seed. See, see. Well, in the film is far much bigger to fit me and Pariniti. We made a smaller version for you. And yeah, Hasi the Pasi where love goes cucking crazy. 7th of Feb, guys, you'll see the actual sequence in the film and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. And now anybody who asks me questions has to sit on the love seat. Only then.
He's gonna break it. He's gonna break it.
Exactly. I think it's so many times happened that everybody's sitting there and the actors here. I think we can exchange this time. Whoever's asking question can come here and ask me questions. Come on, any of the female reporters want to share the love seat? I can't see you. See, there's too much light on my eyes. Come. See, Pariniti is not there, so somebody else, we need a female presence here. Hasi the Pasi doesn't work. Who am I hasawing and phasawing? कोई तो एग्जैक्टली नहीं चल रहा है कोई भी ना सब लड़के खड़े यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो रहा है लड़के रेडी यानी लड़के नो बॉयज अलाउड नो 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 ओनली फॉर गर्ल्स यस हाय मैं उस पे बैठे मैं साथ में लव सीट है हंसा तो फंस जाऊंगा मेरे फंसाओ तो पहले लव सीट है देखो ना 2 किले इट्स मेड फॉर 2 yeah hello hi how are you hi what's sorry hi Bhavna come we'll give you this is a love seat we can if we can put this down and we both can sit on it but we can't but still thank you for coming and yes so now you know special question
I wanted to know what the seat is because इस पे कोई नहीं बैठ पाएगा उसका
नहीं of course it's ये हमने जानबूझ के छोटी बनाई है so two people who love each other can sit more close to each other
love girl where is Pariniti
as a Pariniti is missing today she's
missing या आपने जानबूझ के उन्हें मिस कर दिया है ताकि यहाँ पे आपको बाकी लड़कियों के साथ बैठने का
exactly see तभी तो मैंने वही मौका यूज किया है मैंने कहा इतनी सारी ऑप्शन है तो Pariniti को क्या पूछना है so I've not called her today
अच्छा ये हंसी तो फंसी कितनी फंसी है अभी तक आपकी हंसी से
हाँ I think ज्यादा मैं फंसा हूँ लड़कियों को हंसा के बहुत मुश्किल काम है लड़कियों को हंसाना but I think as of now I had a few experiences here and there but no one so special that I've shared a love seat barring Pariniti
अच्छा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर लेते हैं पहले
एक्सपीरियंस लव सीट का लव सीट तो नहीं स्कूल में I think classroom seat share करी है I think we used to keep our seats for our girlfriends next to in school and the boys who are best friends who want to take that seat up and we would make sure that in break when bhi hota hai to there should be a seat right in the back kept for me and my friend of mine so I think I was a backbencher with the girls yeah that was my version of making a love seat in my class so some point of using a physique to play basketball and all that thing so bully boys into that yeah But other than that, no. Other than that,
Okay, we have more ladies here.
oh, lovely, lovely. The more the better. Hi. Next question. Hi.
अच्छा निकी के लिए भी मैं सवाल करूं? Come on. Yeah.
आपने अभी तक किसी के साथ आपने बोला that you haven't shared the seat. With whom would you like to share the seat apart from Pariniti and apart from us?
Why? अरे apart from मतलब और किसको मैं बोल दूं यहाँ पे किसके on camera with everybody.
Okay, any particular other actress if you would have to share?
There are a lot of interesting and good-looking and attractive actresses there.
Like?
I think Katrina Kaif is very attractive.
Okay.
Deepika Padukone.
Okay.
So yeah, if only they would come and share, but no. Pariniti looks best with me on this film. So it's that first. Going back to Hasi to Pasi.
So Siddharth, like Salman, is Siddharth also virgin?
Oh, really? Is Salman Khan a version? Yeah, आपने. Oh, exactly. We've heard that on Coffee with Karan. I don't know. Do you guys believe everything what actors say? Oh well,
You mean
I am a
सब झूठ
virgin
होता
then.
है?
Then I'm a virgin. If you guys say so. मैंने सिर्फ लव सिटी शेयर किया उसके आगे मैं गया ही नहीं आज तक. तो तभी मैं प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ. ये लव सिटी है जो मेरे पास एक ही चीज है जो दिखा सकता हूँ. इसके आगे I don't know what love is. If somebody dates me, only gets to sit on the seat.
सिद्धार्थ लड़कियों को फंसाने के कौन कौन से टिप्स है आपके पास?
मैं खुद इतनी मुश्किल से भी कहता रहा. I've just said I'm a virgin and the only thing I have is a seat to offer. So I can only trick them into it. If you can believe Mr. Salman Khan.
चाहेंगे तो उनको क्या बताएंगे?
Well, I think Hasana is the first thing. I think everybody who can make a girl laugh and have a light sense of humor, it's always a positive thing. लड़की को रुलाने से better हंसाना है. So of course I think that's an interesting way to crack conversation. I think once you meet somebody.
हंसेगी तो समझे फंसी गई है.